Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very nice way to end the week, although right where the price got rejected and right where we have this, relatively speaking, a bearish candle. Not a very big coincidence at all. And this, I'm sure, this is by no means some sort of like great discovery. Everybody and their brother's uncle is watching this level, but it has everything to do with this overall area of resistance up around 422. Let's just call it 423 to make it easy. So, I mean, you go through the history of things, that all started right around here, presented a problem, big move down, came back up, got rejected, moved down, came back up, and oh, look at that. The last 30 minutes was once again rejected at that level. But that doesn't take away from the fact that, assuming there's no like massive gap down or anything, that the price is once again well within striking distance of these all-time highs. So that's where the big question mark going into next week is can the price finally break that level? And again, this area right here does not require some sort of special skill. I'm not trying to say that this is some sort of great discovery on my part. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts or understand charts are all watching that level. And I emphasize all that because when a lot of people around the world are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. When things like that are broken, it can definitely create very, very dynamic movement. So if the price does eventually break up through that level, not guaranteed, but more than rational to think that that break could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on that dynamic moving forward. With any sort of pullback, I'll zoom back in here. The main overarching level is now going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at right down there around $420, and let's just call it 30 cents. But like I said, the main dynamic is not necessarily support levels at this point. All eyes are all about, can the price finally get the breakout through 423? Let's see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.